The number of first-time freelancers is on the rise. An increasing number are realizing the benefits of being their own boss and having a flexible work schedule. Are you still considering a move into the freelance world? Maybe you've already started freelancing, but want to make sure that you've not missed anything that could boost your success. Watch on to discover our 5 top tips for first-time freelancers. So this is me Mafaz from Tech Crimson. Before starting, smash the like button below and subscribe to the Tech Crimson YouTube channel. 1. Understand your target market. Understanding your prospective client base will help you to plan your pricing structure, implement your marketing strategy, and focus your time and energy. 2. Be flexible. When you set up as a solopreneur, you might have a fixed view on how you will be running your micro business. Our advice is to be as flexible as possible at the beginning. 3. Be clear on costs. Make sure you have a clear idea about your costs and pricing structure. Will you be charging on an hourly or project basis? 4. Have a website. Having a website provides an invaluable window into your business. You can build your own using simple templates from sites like Wix or Squarespace. 5. Try again. Becoming a freelancer has many ups and downs. Some days will be hard, but learn from them and keep going. The journey to becoming a successful solopreneur will not be without its challenges. If you have any suggestion about video, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.